What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have an exciting cryptocurrency update on Nucypher, which has gained over 100% in value over the last 24 hours. Not even the 24 hours, as you can see, it was fluctuating around the 16 cents target even yesterday afternoon, last night, and as soon as it hit 1st of June, pumped up in value over 100%. So what has caused this increase? Is it going to keep going up? Is it going to drop back down? A lot of people have been asking me a lot of different questions around, is it worth investing into it right now? Is it too late? Shall I wait for it to drop down? So on and so on. So that is exactly what I'm going to be going for in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, as well as both short-term and long-term investors. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website, and according to Coinbase, this is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, even in the last hour itself, it's dropped 1%. But as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, guys, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase, especially this one here, 100% within about 12-13 hours is absolutely crazy. It has to drop back down. It has to take a little breather. So that's what we're going to be looking at. Over the week, 108%, over the month, 8% only, because of the major crypto crash that took place about 3 weeks ago. Most cryptos did get affected quite a bit, but surprisingly, Nucypher is positive for the monthly chart, because most cryptos, when you look at the monthly chart, they are down about 30-40%. So what the craziest thing is the trading volume, guys. Look at this. I've never seen such an increase, 25,000% increase in the last 24 hours in trading volume, making it $827 million. So a huge amount of money has been traded into this crypto over the last 24 hours. And as you can clearly see here, we've got massive 75% buy against 25% sell. So it looks like a lot of people are investing into it right now, buying it. Even though it is going up, a lot of people are still investing into it right now. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide it, and I'm going to bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and yes, we do have the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing it at 18 cents. However, it is trading at nearly double its value at 34 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. And also, the only bad thing to that is it's overvalued, so it's very likely to drop back down over the coming hours or days, but that's what we're going to look into right now. So before I go any further, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So what do we have here? So we've got the blue line looking a little bit bearish, going towards the negative direction. The only reason for that is it has already started to drop a little bit. As you can see, we can see a couple of red candles, as well as green. It's fluctuating around the 30 to 35 cents at the moment, but over the coming hours, I'm expecting it to slightly start to drop in value because of the major increase that's taken place. Don't get me wrong, even though it is going to dip a little bit, potentially to about 28 to 30 cents over the coming hours, it is likely to again pick back up in value and go towards the 40 cents. So it's going to be quite volatile. It's going to be up and down all over the place over the coming hours, but the overall outcome, I am expecting it to be negative, so potentially dropping down to about 28 to 30 cents towards, let's say, in the next 12 hours, so towards the end of the day today. Moving on to the hourly chart. Again, we got the lines, they were going in a bullish direction. However, right now they are starting to fluctuate out, especially the blue line has started to go in a negative direction right now. The orange line is still going in a bullish direction, still looking positive. However, I am expecting that line to also fluctuate out, going in a straight line. So overall, over the coming days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, what I am expecting is slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. It is sitting at 34 cents. I'm expecting it to drop down to about 29 to 30 cents, somewhere around there towards the end of this week and early next week. But in between those days, it is going to be volatile, green days, red days, so on and so on. But if you guys want regular updates on Nucypher, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try and keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto to provide you guys with the most up-to-date information, news, and predictions. Now, Moving on to the long-term daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We've got the orange line and blue line looking a little bit bullish. However, of course, as you can clearly see, the blue line is looking much more steeper than the orange line, meaning it's looking very, very positive. So over the coming weeks, so in this case, I'm talking about mid-July to late July, we should expect an overall increase in value on Nucypher. But again, it's not 100% accurate at the moment. I mean, it's never 100% accurate, but it's not as accurate at the moment is because of the major peaks that's taking place today. The graph thinks, you know what, is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on, but that is not always the case. But if there are any major updates or major news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Nucypher, either in a positive or negative way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So now that we've done with our price prediction, so far it's looking quite positive over the long run, but for the short term, over the next few hours and days, I wouldn't recommend investing into it right now, only because I myself am expecting it to drop down in value, and because it's already done over 100% increase, it's a little bit too risky for me. Anyways, if you guys are looking to invest, I'm not saying don't invest, or I'm not saying invest. Make sure to do your own research and your own reading. But personally, for me right now, it's too late to invest. I would wait for it to drop down. Unless you're investing into it for the long run, then yes, maybe. But I will still wait for it to drop down in value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, just a little announcement for you guys. If you guys want to find out what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, and want daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin to see where the market is heading towards, all you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this offer here is only limited to the first 100 members that join. After that, it will increase to $29.99, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left. But don't worry, for the first 100 people that join at $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. So what do you get for this subscription? I basically show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. This is just a screenshot of the chat, and I give you guys the reason why I'm buying it, and obviously I invest for the long run. And I also give you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that you request for, and answer any of your questions, queries that you guys may have. And as you can clearly see, this is just a screenshot I give every morning, or sometimes twice a day, depending on how the crypto market is performing, on what to expect that day from Bitcoin, upwards, downwards, so on and so on. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. So back to Nucypher. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since early 2021. So January 2021 is when we dropped down to the red zone and have gotten worse and worse and worse over 5 months time, and over 6 months now for the 1st of June. But yeah, right now we've seen a major peaks that's hardly taken place before. Obviously this is within the 1 day, guys. We've seen a huge green candlestick. So yeah, we are nowhere near the green zone. For us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least about 74-75 cents, which I am not expecting from Nucypher at the moment, because it's going to have to do more than double of what it's worth at the moment, and it's already done 100% increase. So yeah, for it to hit the green zone, potentially not anytime soon, maybe towards the end of the year or even next year. But so far, we are very likely we're going to just be trading into the red zone for the most of the year. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick prediction and update on Nucypher, like a lot of you guys requested. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, guys, as promised, the 50k subscriber giveaway is now live. You can check that out using the link in the description box down below to the video, where I explain how you can be one of the 9 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies. And again, the winners will be picked in about 2 days time, guys. 3rd of June is when I'm going to be picking the winners, so make sure you go check that video out if you're going to want to get involved. And I've posted it on my Instagram as well. There's a post saying 50k subscriber giveaway, so make sure you go check that out as well for bonus entries. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment and all of that, as my next target is 100k subscribers. And I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.